I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is?
Jingle bell, jingle bell goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is a new background. Like, yes, it's so cute. Yes, I made it. A video will be coming out soon. Well, I don't know when it's gonna come out, but video will be coming out on how I made this and revamp my YouTube area and revamp my room. Yeah, so if you're new here, subscribe. Cause why not? Like, you already watching this video, you already clicked on this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, thank you for 800 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Every week I'm saying thank you for this amount of subscribers. Like, I really love it. Like, we're really growing. So yeah, in today's video, this is going to be part 2 of DIY Christmas gifts. Yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this 2-piece set and socks out of this same $5 blanket from Five Below. So yeah, before we get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so this is like the scrap pieces of the blanket after I made like everything, and I was like, I might as well make something else because I got a lot more blanket left. So I was looking at this and this kind of looked like a tank top, so I was like, I might as well just make this into a tank top to match with the shorts. So that's what I'm gonna do. I measured around my body and my chest area is like 30 inches, which means the top has to be at least 15, and then my bottom is 28. Like, around my stomach area is 28, so that means the back has to be at least 14. So that's what I'm going to do. All I'm going to do is, if y'all see my knees ashy, I'm sorry. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm gonna do a V. Hopefully that's straight, and I want to make it like cropped but not too cropped, so I think I'm gonna do it like longer, so just in case. Now I'm just gonna cut a straight back piece. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is cut it longer because I want to fold the edges like this. So I'm going to sew these together like this, just to make it longer, obviously, because it's too short. Okay, I'm going to turn this inside out. No, after you pin everything, you just want to sew it. So yeah. Okay, I sewed everything together. Well, I only sewed the sides. Ooh. And now I'm just going to hot glue all the loose ends, the cut ends, so everything won't be falling off. Okay, so everything is glued. And it looks very nice. Now all I'm gonna do is take the straps. They look a little janky right here, but it's okay. And sew them on the inside like this. Yeah. And after everything is sewed, here is the final result. You can wear this shirt as regular shirt, pajama shirt, out shirt, any shirt, anything. You can wear it separate, or you can wear it like with the shorts, like a two-piece set.
Jingle bell,
Okay, on to the shorts. And ever since I made them lounge pants last week, it just opened up a door so I can make pants and shorts like this. That method was so far, so I might as well try it on this. Okay, so next I'm going to make some shorts. I'm going to get some shorts. These are spandex, and fold them in half. Half the blanket double-sided, and make sure these are at the end seamed. Okay. And I'm just going to cut around. One side and flip it back the other way. Ooh. Bam. So just like my last tutorial, I'm going to turn these inside out. And pin these. And sew a zigzag stitch from here to here on both sides. Okay, so for the shorts, hope y'all can see, I'm going to sew a zigzag stitch along the line. Okay, so these are the shorts. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the pants. Turn these inside out. And line each thing together. And pin around. Then you just do the same, you just pin around. The same on this side, and so I'm going to sew a zigzag stitch down each of the seams. Okay, after everything is sewed, here is the final result. Like I said, you can wear these shorts as with the shirt as a two-piece set. You can gift these shorts regularly. Okay, on to the socks. This is honestly my favorite because I love furry socks, like fuzzy socks. Like, who don't like fuzzy socks? And you can make them. Even though socks are cheap, but like, I never seen like this type of color socks before, so yeah. Okay, you want to start with the cover folded again. Next, let's make some socks. Okay, so first you want to get a pair of socks that you like, how they fit, and flatten it all the way out. And cut around it. And cut around it bigger because just cut around it bigger, just in case. And then you just do the same thing for the other side. So for the other sock. So I'm just gonna take this and cut around it. Okay. Once you have the two pieces, you turn them inside out. Inside facing down. Inside facing down. And you pan around the whole sock. And then you just do the same thing to this. And then you just sew. I think I'm gonna sew a zigzag stitch around this too. Just to make sure it's secure and these little things don't be coming out. Okay, so now I'm just going to sew a straight stitch around. Okay, after everything is sewed, here's the final results. Yes, this is cute. This is cute. Extra cute. Give all these pieces to different people, and all these pieces together was I think it was 7 pieces. That's 7 gifts. That's 7 different people. Or you can just gift it all together, you know. It's $5. You can give five people. You can do it. Cheap, easy, quick. All these DIYs took me less than 10 minutes to make, and I'm not a fast sewer, so, and the hot glue gun came in clutch because that was really made it more quicker. So yeah, these DIYs are quick, easy, and cute and trendy, so you might as well make them for your family, your friends. If you own a budget, $5. Even if you're not on a budget, these are still super cute. Like, you could use any blanket. You can just go buy a $10 blanket, a $15 blanket. Like, it don't matter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Everybody be making like DIY Christmas gift videos, but I feel like people wasn't really thinking about this stuff. Like, this is stuff actually people will actually wear and people will actually want. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, because follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for 800 subscribers again, on the road to 1K. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like, really appreciate it. Before we get out this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next one. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.